Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will see Python dictionary. Okay, as we know that there is a concept of collection in Python like list, set, dictionary. So there are few collections. So dictionary is one of them. What is dictionary? Dictionary also contain elements. What content or elements or items of the dictionary are unordered. So we can see the definition. Dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of data values used to store data value like a map, which unlike other data value that hold only single value as an element. Dictionary hold key value pair. So what is the basic difference between list and dictionary or set? Like other collection, list contain the element in single value format, just like list of fruits, list of vehicles, so many things. But if we talk about dictionary, then dictionary contain key value format value. Like we want to make a list or dictionary in which there are two concepts, one is key and one thing is value. We can we count key value as a one item, just like brand. Brand means brand is a key and Tata is value. Okay, just like model is key and any Maruti is value. So in this way we will create dictionary. As you can see example here, we have taken this dict is a kind of dictionary. And one more thing, when we write dictionary, then we use curly bracket instead of square bracket, we use curly bracket. As you can see here, we are using curly bracket. Okay, here we have taken brand is a key and Tata is value, model is key and Maruti is value, year is key and 1980 is value. So here there are three items in this dictionary. Suppose you want to print this dictionary, then you can write print this is your dictionary. In this way you can print. One more way to accessing item, by using, simply you can write the key number like this. Okay, you can take any variable like this z, and in this way square bracket, within square bracket you can write double quotation mark any key value like year and square bracket close. So in this way you can also access. One more thing, by using get function you can also access. How to access? By using get function, like z equal to, okay, this dict get. Here you will use parenthesis and you can again write key value like year. So in this way you can also access. So there are two ways to access the item in a dictionary. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubt, you can write into comment box. So thank you for watching.